Hello, what's up guys, it's Maestri here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be guiding you on how to trade in expert option. So I'll be showing you my own personal trading strategy, how I take my trade, and also how I'm able to set these particular trading strategies up and what I look out for. Okay, so if it's your first time visiting my channel, you need to subscribe to this channel because very soon I'll be coming out live and you won't afford to miss out. Okay, so subscribe so that once we start trading expert option live, what you just need to do is to come and then take your trade with us so that we can grow together in the community. So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly get started. So the only pair that I trade in expert option is just one. I only trade Euro USD. So let me quickly guide you. So right here is the pair that I used to trade. You can see different pair right here, but the only pair I trade is Euro USD. You can ask me why. The reason is that I have focused mainly on this particular pair and I see how it works out for me. Okay, so my strategy works best in this particular pair. Okay, so and again, what you just need to know is that I'm not using graph or anything to trade. I only use candlesticks to trade. Yeah, I'm a forex trader as well, so I mastered the art of candlesticks, so I use candlesticks to trade. So I will choose right here. You can see I only trade 5 seconds candlestick. Okay, now one of the indicators that I use right here is the Bollinger Band. Okay, I use the Bollinger Band for as an indicator. That is the only indicator that I use. Okay, so this is the indicator right here. Okay, so this is Bollinger Band and ensure that it's 25 period, deviation 5, and the time if simple moving average, that is SMA. That is the indicator, that is how you're going to set it up. Okay, so right now the deal duration is that my own deal duration is just for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, we are off from the market. Okay, so I don't take 1 seconds, 2 seconds, 5 seconds. It just has to be 30 seconds. So once 30 seconds overlaps, that is the end of the trade. Okay, so every day I take like 3 trades every day. So after 3 trades every day, I'll round off for the day, and then the next day I continue. Okay, so and there are candlesticks that I actually use to check out my trade. And what I trade also is reversal. So I'll be showing you the candlestick that I use to check out plus this indicator to show you the direction of my trade. Okay, so the first candlestick right here is called both the tweezer top and the tweezer bottom. I also use the bullish engulfing and the bearish engulfing candlestick, and then I use the morning star and the evening star. So right here I'll be showing you how this candlesticks plays out with my indicator and also how I'm going to execute my trade. So I'll be guiding you and I'm showing it to you guys one after the other, so stay with me. Once the candlestick right here touches the lower Bollinger Bands and is forming a complete tweezer button right here, there is going to be a bullish reversal. As you can see, each candlestick right here goes for like 5 seconds. So the first one right here is 5, right here 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it just goes up to like 30 seconds, which is my due duration, and then the trade is going to close right here. So anytime I see a Bollinger Bank and there is a complete tweezer button right there, I'm always taking my trade on the next candlestick that is going to form. Okay, so that is how this one plays out. Now we'll be checking out to see more other occurrence that happens right here. Remember I said we are going to be using a bullish engulfing and a bearish engulfing. I'll be using the both morning star and evening star as well. So we're checking to see out more of this particular strategy playing out right here. This one is not complete. As you can see, the bullish is more bigger than the bearish, so I'm not going to take that trade. Okay, so this is another one right here. Okay, so this one is a Bollinger Band as well. No, this is a Bollinger Band touching the tweezer button right here. As you can see, the candlestick right here just goes up, and then there's another one right here. Let's quickly go and check it out. I've already marked all these stores out right here. That's where I place my previous trade and it actually works out for me. Okay, so any place I take a trade and it works out for me, I'm always marking it out. So this is another tweezer button right here. As you can see, always 5 seconds and the deal duration is 30 minutes. As you can see, this is also a win trade for me. So I took a trade right here and it's a win for me. And it is the tweezer button playing out playing out a special role right here for me. Remember, once the tweezer top is around the lower, tweezer bottom is around the lower the Bollinger Band, that's where you are placing our trade. Okay, so this is another one right here. This candlestick, this bullish candlestick, and this bearish candlestick, and this bigger bearish candlestick is called the evening star. Okay, so this is going to give us a bearish reversal, and if you count, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this trade is a win trade, and this is a tweezer top. Okay, you can see both the bearish candlestick and the bullish candlestick are at the same size, so it gave us a full bearish reversal. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead and check out for another one. There was a trade I was trying to take in this particular platform that when I was waiting for it and something happened, maybe there was a news that day and something like this happened. So guys, if you see anything like this, try and avoid it as much as possible. Once you see any twist like this, just try to avoid it. Don't trade it, because you don't know where the market is going to break out and you might end up losing all your funds. Okay, so that is not advisable for you to trade. Let me quickly check out for another one right here, another trade that I actually took out right here. Okay, so that was all guys. Now we'll be taking a live trade right now, like using the strategy that I just showed you here to take a live trade. Still stay with me. Okay, so this is the first one. So this is a morning star. You can see the bearish candlestick and the bullish candlestick. Okay, so I'm taking my trade right here to see how it's going to play out. So this is going to be a bullish reversal. So our trade is currently ongoing. So let's watch and see how it's going to end. As you can see, it is all looking good right here. Then let's see how it's going to end. Okay, just a few seconds. Okay, so this is a win guys. So you can see it works out because it is the morning star. You can see the candlestick right here has been formed, and that's why this trade is a win. Okay, so you can see it is working out, it's playing out, and because this morning star is forming close to this lower Bollinger Bands, that's why I placed my trade, and that's why it's a win. And this one right here that is actually going to happen right here, you can see this is a tweezer top right here, and it is forming at the upper Bollinger Band line right here. So you can place a sell order right here and see how it's going to play out. So this is going to be 5, 10, 15. This one is going to be the 20th candlestick, and then this last one is going to be the 30th candlestick. As you can see, if you place a trade right here, it's going to be a pure win for us. Okay guys, let's quickly go ahead and check out another scenario that is going to play out right now. Okay, hey guys, I found this trade right here, this setup. So this is a tweezer bottom, and I'm placing my trade right here. Okay, so remember, each candlestick is 5 seconds candlestick. Okay, so let's see how this is going to end. It's going to be a win or it is going to be a loss. So it's just a few seconds to go, then we're going to see how it's going to be. Okay, I think it's looking good. So that is it. So this is a win. Okay, now let's check out another one. I see right here, this is bearish engulfing candlestick. So I took this trade, and then let's see how it's going to play out. Remember what is bearish engulfing means: when the bearish candle encloses the bullish candlestick. So this one is definitely going to be a win. So there's nothing that you can tell me about this, because it is really deeping. This is full bearish. Okay, so this is a win. Okay, let's check out another one. Guys, if you watch this candlestick, you're going to see this is a bullish reversal. This is the morning star. Okay, you can see this one also is also a win. So if you count up to these candlesticks like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, the trade is going to end here. So it is going to be a win. Okay, so this is all about today's trade. Okay, so if you want to learn this particular strategy or how to trade it, you can always let me know right here in this comment section, or you can chat me up in my WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you on how to trade the full course. Remember, I'll be coming out live very soon, and then we'll be taking our trade right here in this YouTube channel. So do it to subscribe and stay active as well. See you in my next video guys. Bye.